What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. How you doing today? I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here. How you doing today? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. What's going on? I miss you guys so much. It's so hot here in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. I could not come out here and make a video earlier because it's too dangerous for one thing. Yes, you guys, always stay safe no matter what you're doing, where you're at. When it's extreme heat and it's reaching 105 and more, or even 100, please, don't even try it. It's not worth it, okay? Okay? I love you guys, okay? I love you. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. Like I said, you guys, it's scorching hot out here. Click the thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers. Okay, okay, I love you guys. You're the best. Subscribe to my channel, share the video, leave a comment. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. I'm not going to make a long video. It's going to be 5 minutes or less. Okay, okay, I ain't playing. Because I'm not going to fall out. Why? Y'all know we ain't got no money to be going to the emergency room. We ain't got no money. So, I just wanted to give you an update on the corn as promised. I told you, I planted corn on July the 9th. Today is July 20th. So, it's been exactly 11 days. Okay? So, I want to show you what's going on with the corn that we planted from seed on camera. If you look back at my video on July 9th, corn, and you'll see we started from seed together. So, just come on over. And voila. In 11 days, that's that corn we planted, y'all, together. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love you so much. You are the best. Yep, that's the corn planted on July 9th, right before your very eyes. And today is July 20th. And if I put my hand next to it, trying to give you a visual, can you guys see? Okay. How tall it is, and it's already looking like corn. Now, you remember we went all the way down, so I see some didn't come up. If you go back and look at the video, you can see. But it's 25 plants. I pre-counted, so I didn't have to hold you guys up. So if you get 25 plants, you're doing good. They can pollinate themselves. And, you know, you need a lot of corn together. You don't want to just plant 2 stalks of corn because the wind won't pollinate them. Although you can do it yourself, but that's a whole nother video. For beginners, at least plant about, 20 if you can. You know, they grow so quickly. And that way when the wind blows, that little tassel at the top. Matter of fact, let me just show you what I'm talking about, okay? Okay, I love you guys. Our corn over here is doing amazing. Absolutely amazing. Always look at your surroundings, you guys. I have some weeds growing up over here, so I don't want to step in that. I don't know what's in there. Okay, okay. Look, tasseling. Our corn is tasseling, you guys. And as you can see, this corn is way taller than I am. Yeah. And it's tasseling. Right here. And this is the part that holds that pollen. And eventually, we're going to see some corn shoots coming out. Corn doesn't take long. You guys watch me plant this, remember? Yep. But this is our corn. Isn't she beautiful? Wait a minute. I think I may see some ears coming out over there. Not sure. Oh, yeah, more tassels coming out of that one. It's so tall and beautifully colored, you guys. And I have my netting around it. I think this really helped protect it. And you know, we went in the other day and cleaned it out inside so I can see all the way through it. So yeah, you guys, this is your corn. Starting it from seed on up till it looks like this. Yes. Okay, more tasseling. Can you see down in there? And I put 2 different varieties in here. You see the ones over here? They're a little smaller, but that's how they're supposed to be. Now over here, look at these bad boys. And you guys, I planted this right in front of my shed. Yeah, it's just a sunny spot. No shade. It's just a sunny spot. And I planted it right in front of the shed because we don't open and close this that often. Although we can, but we don't. And yeah, it's right in front of the shed. And look, it took to the ground so well. Look at those roots. They do have a tendency to come out of the ground. But yeah, you guys, we're gonna have some corn very, very soon. Okay? Thank you so much for being here. I love you. 5 minutes or less. I told you. Remember, live, love, laugh, don't stop any of that. And don't forget to click like, subscribe, y'all. Share the video. Leave some love. We're almost at 10,000 followers, 10,000 subscribers. Thank you, you guys. You are the best. You are so amazing. I have some great news coming up. Oh my God, I can't share it with you just yet, but it's all. I just can't wait to tell you. I love you guys. You're the best.